Hi folks, let's solve palindrome number. So the problem is, given an integer x, return true if x is a palindrome integer. And there are 4 examples. The first example, x is 1 to 1. Of course, it's a palindrome number. The second example, x is a negative number. So palindrome cannot be a negative. So any negative numbers are not palindrome number. So it's a corner case. In the third example, x is 10. If we read 0, 1 from right to left, therefore it cannot be a palindrome number. So if it's not 0, but it ends with 0, it's not a palindrome number. Okay, so this is function signature. We know if x is 0, then it's a palindrome number. If it's a negative number, then it's not a palindrome number. We just return false. If it's a number that ends with 0, then it's not palindrome number, since we have already checked 0 at the very beginning. So any other number ends with 0 are not palindrome. Okay, now let's work on this case. When the length of the integer is even, let's say, how do we solve it? We can break it into 2 parts and reverse the second part. Then if they're same, then it's palindrome. So at the beginning, x is this number, and we have sum 0. And first, we get the rightmost 1 to sum. Then we get the 2 to sum. Then we get 3 to sum. Okay, now x is not greater than sum, so we can end this while loop. Then we can just check if x is same as sum. If they're same, then the original x is palindrome. Okay, this is algorithm. So as long as x is greater than sum, we can get the rightmost digit from x, then append this digit to sum. Then at last, we just check if they're same. Okay, this is case for even number. What if the length of the integer is an odd number? Let's take at this example. So we run the same while loop. First, we get 1, then we get 2. Now x is still greater than sum, so we get the digit 3 and append it to sum. Then the while loop will break. Okay, we know it's an odd number, so does not care the middle number. We just want to see if the previous number before the middle and afterwards the numbers after the middle are same. If they're same, then it's palindrome. So we don't care about this 3. We can just divide by 10 to get rid of this 3 and check if sum is same as x or not. So we can just check if x is same as sum divided by 10 or not. So if it's even number, we can just use the previous check. If the length is odd number, then we can just use this check to bypass the middle number. Okay, so it's not a very hard problem, but it's hard to write clean code. First, we exclude some corner cases. Then it makes our coding a lot easier. Then we just build the second part, the sum. We just break the original x into 2 parts, then check if they're same. Okay, that's it. Thanks.